and we want to show you how we can keep you warm and increase your productivity this winter with our heating solutions. So whether your home heating is acting up or your site doesn't have heating installed yet, our extensive range of electric, propane, natural gas and diesel fueled units have you covered. Frost fighters are portable and simple to operate even in extreme climates. They deliver clean and dry air. So for areas that lack a working heating system and have populated areas, these are the safest and best option as they use a contained heating system that limits CO2 emissions. For today, we're going to be running a 350 BTU frost fighter. This is our most versatile, but we do have smaller and larger, and we'll show you how to operate them in a few simple steps. Ensure the machine is outside and away from flammable materials. Keep your ducting running as straight into the building as possible. Now, plug in your power to a dedicated 120 volt, 15 amp outlet. You can either run these manually, meaning the machine will run as hot as it can, or you can use a thermostat to regulate your desired temperature. Flick the switch to whichever option suits you. When shutting down the machine, it is imperative that you don't cut the power off. Please allow the machine to cool down on its own fan cycle to avoid damages and issues starting the machine up again. If your heater is not running and this red light is flashing, hold the button down firmly for 5 to 10 seconds and the machine will fire automatically for you. If this same red light is solid, please call our service department and they will be happy to help you. If you need help with proper sizing, our rental experts can definitely recommend the right size and quantity based on your needs. We even provide free site consultations. Thanks for watching, have a great day.